Here we are in the land of production. There's Allan getting ready to paint seat connectors on this wonderful day. Hey! And Hannah is sanding seats and and lumbar support. The thing that's really cool is we just purchased a big clamp rack, and we're going to continue this video shortly and show you that. So here we are introducing our new clamp. I just got glue all over my fingers. Clamp system, and Allan and Hannah are spreading the glue. And this is our first glue up, but this is going to save tons of time and make accuracy and more efficiency with our clamping. So now we're going to put this in fast motion for fun. Hi again, here we are. As you can see, we're so efficient that lickety-split. We completed these desktops before you could say...
Bob's your uncle.
And master craftsman woman, Hannah, did a lot of the work. Allan's gone home for the day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next one.
Thanks for watching.